Man, Delhi seems to have all the flights coming in from all destinations. Raipur, certain names I don't even know. Adampur, ये कहाँ है भाई? What's up my YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? आज का vlog मैंने start किया है अपने दिल्ली के घर से. जी हाँ, मैं हूँ दिल्ली में. I reached Delhi yesterday. और जब मैं दिल्ली लैंड करा कल, Delhi welcomed me with a lot of rains and a lot of thunder showers and strong winds. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे कि दिल्ली में मैंने सुना इतनी गर्मी थी. मैंने सोचा there should be a little break from Bombay. और why not? Home away from home, as I always say. And it's great to be back in Delhi after almost 3 months. A lot of people do know and a lot of people don't know that I have a pet dog here. His name is Bozo. जो आप लोग आने वाले vlogs में बहुत देखोगे उसको आप. Of course, I missed him. He's a sweetheart. Well, before I start the vlog, हम लोग थोड़ा सा rewind करते हैं, जाते हैं वापस मुंबई और आप लोगों के लिए एक special footage है जो मैंने shoot किया है और आप देख सकते हो it's nice and cloudy in Delhi today. मुझे लगता है कि आज भी बारिश होगी थोड़ी बहुत. मुझे ये नहीं पता कि this is pre-monsoon showers or whatever, but seems it looks very good. So, without any delay, let's get back to Mumbai. Let's start the vlog from there. So I'm on the road now on Western Expressway. Me and Jas of course stays right next to my house. He's like a family friend of mine. He's always helped me out whenever I needed help from him. And this help is very, very important today because हमारे पीछे है मिट्टू. Now all of you must be wondering मैं मिट्टू को कहाँ लेके जा रहा हूँ. A problem is guys that I'm taking a flight and I'm going to Delhi tomorrow. Fortunately, Jas knew someone who is a bird lover. That gentleman's name is Mac, right?
That's right.
And Mac has some very nice exotic birds and he's got a big house. He's not a vet, but he's just a bird lover. And he's got a massive cage and everything. So once Mittu is there, she'll be there for about a month. And she won't be there in that cage. So don't worry, she'll be there in a much bigger cage. जो आप लोग अभी देखोगे. They all love Mittu. I love Mittu so much. And it's the easiest way out guys कि मैं अगर मिट्टू को मैं अगर बाहर छोड़ देता, the chances of her survival would have been almost zero. Right, Jas?
Yes, that's true.
There are a lot of people in goodwill want to release their birds back to the wild. Problem is when they do that, the birds don't survive. And I clearly cannot take that when it comes to Mittu. Once I'm back, Mittu will be back with me again. So, आगे जाके देखते हैं क्या होता है. ये देखो guys, मुंबई का traffic. There is some kind of a checking going on or something. Yes. There is checking going on. And because of that, just look at that traffic. Oh my God. Jas, do you think all of them are out for their work or they're just having fun?
So Rajiv, I think Mumbai is a big city. I genuinely believe that those are the people who are probably from healthcare services or emergency construction works, other emergency factory work. So I think Mumbai that way is a sensible city.
Correct.
So
Absolutely.
I'm sure people are not just loitering around like some of the other cities.
Yeah.
Hope so.
Yes, एक whiskey का पैक तो बनता है साथ में.
Done, sure.
Very soon.
We'll make it 2.
Okay. One thing about Jas, I don't drink that often, but with him, I don't know what happens. I can't stop myself. I have to have a couple of drinks with him. Company matters, like they say. So Jas company is amazing.
Thank you.
So we're trying to locate his house. It's we're close by. We are not that far from his house, but we're just trying to figure out which lane. गाड़ी में चलते हैं. Let's get to the destination.
Yeah. That's fine.
Just open the door. School, the next wedding. And come.
Okay.
Okay. That means we are close by.
Video, bro.
Well, firstly,
Uh-huh.
I really like this place of yours.
Yeah, thank you, man.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है that we have arrived in Goa.
It's a very buoyant and kind of a place.
It's so chilled out. Very nice.
I know where to come.
We live together. We come here. We do recordings and stuff. Yeah.
No, that's why
Very nice.
there is a friend of ours, Abhishek.
Mm-hmm.
He is a beautiful singer.
Yeah, he's a good singer.
I'm sure
Very
you
good
must
singer.
also be.
Okay.
No, I'm
Sure.
two big cages.
Yeah.
Okay? One cage has got big birds like macaws and stuff. So we won't keep her there because they are really big. So
Okay.
other cage has cockatiels.
Cockatiels.
4 cockatiels and 4 iguanas.
Right.
They stay together. Iguanas are small.
Mm-hmm.
So what we will do is we will keep her in that cage say for a couple of days.
Right.
Let her get familiarized with
Okay.
everybody. Once she is free,
Uh-huh.
we'll observe her and then we'll open the cage and let her be free.
Perfect.
And whenever you come back,
Yeah.
we'll put it in the cage. You can take it. She can fly, she can do whatever she wants. There
Correct.
are like trees and all, so she'll be happy.
Why don't you release her back to the wild? So I told her I would love to do that, but then she will not survive. Do you agree with me?
Absolutely. Now, first of all, she is very small.
Yeah.
Okay. And now she has got a human interaction. She has
Right.
got in touch with humans and all. So that's the rule of nature. So if she flies back to the nature,
Yeah.
other birds will kill her.
See?
So let her grow. You can inspect her. If you feel that she can survive, then you can maybe after some time, after some months, you can
Correct.
leave her.
Correct.
But again, it's Ram Bharose. You cannot
Oh.
take the guarantee that she will survive. In nature is very cruel.
Yeah,
You don't know
yeah,
what's
yeah.
happening.
Absolutely.
As I told you, they are dogs with wings.
Dogs with wings, yeah.
Yeah.
True. There's a reason why she chose my house. I mean, imagine there's so many flats, and she flew in to our balcony, and she was in a bad shape, huh? She was in a bad shape.
No, she was. You have
But
to
now
send
she
it to
looks
me.
good. So what happens,
Yeah.
they get along with each other so well.
Yeah.
They eventually they start loving each other, and then they cannot stay without each other. So we've got huge iguanas, like 6
Right.
feet iguanas, and small birds. Small birds sit on iguana the whole day, and iguana doesn't do anything. He just likes it. So that's
God.
it's called animal arc. That's a beautiful way of nature to just present it the love and everything else.
Absolutely.
So good, man.
Jazz, chale? Let's go. Mac, thanks a lot.
You don't worry.
God bless you.
Absolutely don't worry. I try to take care of her.
Mithu is
Whatever
your
I
pet
can, I can.
also now.
Absolutely.
So,
She's a family member now. Don't
yeah,
worry.
yeah.
And I'm sure she'll love it too. The other guys will love
Absolutely.
it.
Absolutely.
Because actually उसको भी मजा आएगा because अभी तक she was with you and
Yeah.
not with other animals. Now she'll get used to of other animals, so she will love it.
Correct.
So
And
it might be difficult for you when you take her back and without other animals.
we will debate on that.
Good to see you guys. Cool. She's home now. She's taking Ganpati Bappa's darshan. As soon as she's done with darshan, she will go to her new house.
So that is the line, guys. Just checking in to the airport for my flight to Delhi. And as you can see, there's a long line, but this is a must. I think another 20-30 minutes will be done. Good to see the fish back. I'm sure they must have been lonely for the last 2 months. Where did the human beings disappear? It's unreal, guys, that the airport is so empty. मतलब इतना खाली एयरपोर्ट मैंने मुंबई में कभी देखा नहीं. Well, security में ज़्यादा लाइन नहीं है. Should be done within 5-10 minutes. Hopefully I do see some shops open. So we'll grab a coffee. काफ़ी हद तक काफ़ी दुकानें बंद हैं. But I believe 25th को जब खुला था एयरपोर्ट तो ये सब कुछ ही बंद था. अभी काफ़ी कुछ खुल गया है I believe. बस मुझे अपना कॉफ़ी मिल जाए. कैपुचिनो जो लास्ट 2 मंथ से मैंने नहीं पिया है. फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. KFC खुल गया है. गुड न्यूज़. एंड कोस्टाज ओपन. ओह माय गॉड. वुड यू इमेजिन गाइस कि मैं कॉफ़ी पीऊँगा 2 महीने के बाद, वो भी मेरा फेवरेट कैपुचिनो. फाइनली आफ्टर मोर देन 2 months my favorite cappuccino from my Costa. Love at first sight. Let's see how it feels when you drink your favorite coffee after 2 months. Oh my god. Oh, can't tell you guys, I cannot tell you the feeling. Oh my god, amazing. Man, this feels good. This feels so good. Costa, I love you. ये देखो बाहर का नज़ारा. 3-4 एयरलाइंस हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं है. तो अभी इतने ही फ्लाइट्स आ रहे हैं और जा रहे हैं. दिस इज़ ऑफ कोर्स द डिपार्चर्स. ये देखो स्टारबक्स भी खुल गया एयरपोर्ट पे. सो फॉर ऑल द स्टारबक्स लवर्स, जब भी आप लोग फ्लाई करोगे मुंबई एयरपोर्ट से, आपको आपका फेवरेट स्टारबक्स मिल जाएगा. Social distancing while peeing as well. Good idea.
About Mithu, she's out, she's dealing up really well, absolutely no problem. This is a food right now I'm gonna give, and she's having fun. So right now the cage is a little closed from outside because what happens is they need sun, okay, they need sunlight, but at the same time it shouldn't get too hot. That's the reason, you know, I keep it closed for some time in the afternoon. All right, so that's the update right now. She's happy, she's good, don't worry.
Well, I hope you guys liked my vlog today. अगर पसंद आया है तो give it a big thumbs up, share करना ज़रूर, subscribe, tell your friends about my channel, and of course stay tuned. Very soon, as requested by all of you, I'll be doing my house tour of my Delhi house. Yes, and a lot of other videos which will be very, very interesting. Take care of yourself, stay positive, stay healthy, lots of love from Delhi. अपना ध्यान रखो, and as always, छोटी सी तो जिंदगी है यार, खुश रहो. Thank you for watching. Just look at the weather, guys. I feel I am in a hill station or somewhere. And this young boy that I missed Bozo so much. Bozo, say hi to my YouTube family. They're seeing you for the first time. So guys, this is my Delhi house. ज़्यादा कुछ अभी नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ because बहुत जल्दी मैं आपको home tour देने वाला हूँ. So stay tuned for that. And this weather is just amazing.